Hey guys! Today we're going to show you what we typically pack for a 7-night Caribbean cruise.
Now they always tell you don't overpack. I think we're overpackers.
It is so hard not to overpack. We have so much stuff.
So we'll show you what we bring on our cruises.
Yes, and are you team packing cubes or not team packing cubes?
Well, make sure you stay tuned and you'll find out which one of us is team packing cube.
Okay, ladies first. Let's get started, and I'm going to show you what I generally pack for a 7-night Caribbean cruise. Let's start with shoes. I know I bring too many shoes, but you never know what you're going to need. I've got like dress shoes. Here's like 3 pairs. I've got flip-flops. I've got some sandals. And then of course, I always wear my tennis shoes on embarkation day, so I have those when I need it. So let's just situate these shoes in here so we have some room for our clothes. All right. Okay, so let's start with kind of the most important thing, underwear. Don't look. Don't want to look at my underwear. Make sure you pack enough underwear. Okay, I always pack extra. And then of course, we'll throw in some socks for when you do wear your tennis shoes. And then also, you've got your bras. Always have to bring a strapless bra, which I hate. So ladies, if you have a good strapless bra that you love, please let me know in the comments. Or if you use those sticky ones, I've always wanted to try them, but I don't know if they would give you support. So let me know, what do you guys use? Because I have a lot of dresses that I can't wear a normal bra with. So, all right, got those in there. Let's go to, I get cold very easily, so I always pack a pair of jeans or long pants just because on our last cruise, it was so cold. I am so glad I had my jeans. All right, and speaking of jeans, I always pack a light jacket or a light sweater because you never know, that AC gets really cool at night. All right, stick that in there. I normally will pack generally 2 or 3 swimsuits. So here I've got 3. Gotta have options, right? All right, so get your swimsuits in there. I always bring at least 1 cover-up. Sometimes I pack 2. For this, we're just gonna use 1. And of course, don't forget your pajamas. Got my pajamas in there. And then, normally, here's all my shirts. Normally I'll pack like 8 or 9 t-shirts just so I have options, make sure I have enough. So let's stick those in there. And then I'll only bring maybe 3-4 pairs of shorts. I like to bring a lot of khaki tan shorts because that way they go with almost everything. And you don't need a pair of shorts for every day. If you're like us, we will reuse the same shorts more than once. And then again, I always wear a pair of shorts on, so that's another pair of shorts. Okay, got those in there. Now we'll go to some kind of casual dresses, like you might want to get a little more dressy for dinner, not super dressy. Sometimes I will pack like these jumpers. These are so cute. And then I'll also pack like some little dresses for dinner. I'll usually bring probably 4 or 5 nicer outfits for dinner. Little dresses or little jumpers. Sometimes you just want to look a little cute. And then here's another one. Just throw that one in there. And then usually on your 7-night cruises, you will have 2 elegant or formal nights. So sometimes we pack formal, sometimes we don't. for the sake of this video, we're gonna pack 2 formal outfits. So the first, we'll pack this sequins sparkly gold dress. So we'll throw that in there. And then we'll pack this long reddish looking gown. So those will be our 2 formal night looks. And as you can see, my suitcase is pretty darn full. And this is just my clothes and shoes. I haven't even put toiletries or any extras in here. So there you go. That's typically what I would bring on a 7-night cruise. What do you pack on your 7-night cruise?
All right, it's time for the guys. Now, we're so much easier. We got less stuff. I'm going to start with my shoes, just like Kim did. But I'm going to show you, I packed my water shoes. She didn't pack hers. Got my dress shoes. And then my flip-flops. And remember, I'm wearing my tennis shoes there on the ship. All right. I've got my socks. Now, these can be just stuck right down into shoes. And I remembered my dress socks this time. Okay, now my underwear. Got plenty of those because you never know. And just as a side note, I don't have any pajamas. This right here is my pajamas. Got shorts. Now this is 2 pairs of shorts. I'm also wearing my 3rd pair on. I've got a bathing suit. Now here's my favorite. This is my t-shirts. If you watch any of my other videos, I love my t-shirts. So I've got 7 of those guys. They go right in there. I've got my water shirt. And then I've also got a plain white t-shirt for dress night. It goes right in there. All right. Now, for nighttime wear, I've got my white shirt for white night. And then just a couple of Hawaiian shirts for going to like regular dinner and stuff. In there. And then here is my second elegant night shirt. It's just nicely folded right in there. And then last but not least is my formal night. I've got my jacket, my shirt, and my pants all in there. I just keep it on the hanger. Super easy. Just put it in, kind of tuck it in, and we're ready to go. Now this looks bigger than Kim's, but I want to say it's only about half the size. She's got that deep thing, so there you go. That's the guy's way.
Okay, so as you can see, both of our suitcases are pretty full with just our shoes and our clothes.
Yeah, we still got, for us, some video equipment to pack in there, some toiletries. So yeah, it gets pretty full.
Yeah, we're not going to show you that other stuff because frankly, I'm embarrassed about how many toiletries we bring.
How heavy our suitcases get.
Yes. So now we're going to show you if packing cubes really do make a difference when packing your suitcase.
Yeah, they make a difference.
I don't know that they do. I, for one, do not use the packing cubes.
I love them. You're going to see, it only takes a couple of seconds to get all that stuff rolled up in there. And then when you get to your room there, you just take the whole bag. Love it. Love it.
I don't have the patience nor the time to sit here and roll every single piece of my clothes. Plus, how would you even roll these dress clothes? I don't think it's possible.
Well, you don't roll the dress clothes part. It's just your regular clothes.
All right, let's see what your packing cubes look like.
All right.
Okay, so there's Scott's suitcase using his packing cubes. Now, he only used 2 packing cubes.
Yeah, well, I got 2. One for my shirts and shorts, and then one for my underwear. That's all. And actually, they're not even packed tight. I could still fit so much more in these cubes.
Yeah, to be honest, they are not full. He could definitely fit more items in these cubes.
Yeah.
But I don't think it's worth it.
Are you kidding me?
No.
This is so much worth it. It's so neat and organized. I love it when I get on the ship. To unpack, All I do is go right in the thing and I'm unpacked. It's
Okay,
awesome.
okay. I will give you, this does look organized. It does look a lot more organized, but I don't think it saved you any space because you haven't even put your dress clothes in here yet.
Yeah, well.
Let's put your dress clothes in here and see.
It's still, you know.
All right, here are your dress shirts, your Hawaiian shirts.
All right.
So he doesn't like to roll those.
No.
All right, here are your dress pants and your suit jacket.
All right.
So, yeah. This looks exactly the same as before.
I don't know. Come on. I'm all about the packing cubes. It just feels so much more organized, easier to me.
No,
It only takes a couple seconds to roll them. You saw that.
that's because we sped up your video. It's not worth it to me. It's not worth the time and energy to roll every piece of clothes when it takes up the same amount of space. Nah, not for me.
All right, guys. Well, let us know if you are team packing cube or no.
Nah.
Let us know in the comments below.
So thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe you got some tips and tricks out of it. I don't know.
Hopefully. And we'll see you next time, guys.
Bye, guys.